In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in Smartsheet effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to copy and paste in Smartsheet can make your workflow much smoother. So let's dive into the process step by step. Now, let's suppose you have a particular piece of information in a single cell that you want to copy. Start by right-clicking on the cell that contains the data you want to duplicate. When you right-click, a menu will pop up, offering you several options. From those options, you'll want to select Copy. This action will store your selected data onto your clipboard, allowing you to move it around your Smartsheet or even into other applications if needed. Bear in mind that selecting the correct cell is crucial, as copying the wrong data might lead to errors when you proceed with pasting it elsewhere. Once you've got your desired data copied, it's time to move on to pasting it. Now think about where this new information is going to live in your Smartsheet. Decide on the destination. It could be a specific cell, a row number, or anywhere else in your sheet where you want the data to reside. Click on this destination cell or row number. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct spot where you want the information to be placed, because pasting is often a one-click process that replaces any existing content in the destination. Here's where the magic really happens. To paste your previously copied data, all you need to do is press a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're working on a Windows computer, you will press Ctrl and V at the same time. For all the Mac users out there, you'll do the same by pressing CMD and V. This action tells Smartsheet that you're ready to transfer your clipboard data into the cell or row you've selected. A quick tip: if you make a mistake or are not satisfied with the paste, Smartsheet is equipped with an undo feature that can revert your last action. Simply press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac to undo and try again. This can be very handy and takes the pressure off, especially when working with large data sets. And there you have it. You've now successfully copied and pasted data in Smartsheet. With these steps, you can ensure your data is easily transferable within your sheets, maximizing your productivity and minimizing potential errors. I hope you find these instructions clear and helpful, enhancing your Smartsheet user experience. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting!